Today we are in Southpointe, which is a community here in the South Hills of Pittsburgh, and we are going to touch every square inch of this first floor. The outside of this home is just really pretty. It's a Georgian colonial. The inside, it just needs a little help. So we're gonna make it wonderful. We're going to actually not take down any walls. I think that's a first for our company. And we're gonna close up a wall, but we've got to do something to make an office for this homeowner. So I can't wait for you guys to see the end project, but let's show you what's going on first. The space for this kitchen is actually really wonderful. The nice tall ceilings, there's a really large footprint, but the cabinets are really dark, the floor and the countertops are really dark, so it feels a lot smaller than it really is. So we're totally gonna brighten up this space with white cabinetry on the perimeter. We're gonna give them a nice navy blue island with some beautiful quartz countertops. The appliances are gonna be fantastic. It's gonna make a lot more sense for how they live. And one thing to keep in mind is that this kitchen space is really connected to the living room, which is right here. So we've got to give the living room a refresh too. So we're totally gonna paint all the trim. All the honey oak is gonna be gone. So we can say goodbye to that. It's gonna be white. This railing is gonna go away, so there'll be nice open flow between the spaces. And the fireplace is going to get a major facelift. It's gonna get lime wash on the brick because the brick isn't bad, it just needs a little freshening. We're gonna do a really beautiful mantle. We're gonna take out those built-ins that are there and put in some custom built-ins that are just white with floating shelves. It's really the homeowner's style. They have kind of like a modern farmhouse colonial sort of vibe going on. It's gonna be really beautiful. But once we transform this space, I think they'll stay here forever. So be sure to like and subscribe and you'll get to see all those videos. And I always love to hear comments from you. Please leave a comment below because we want to hear what you have to say. One of the really cool things we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding a coffee station in the kitchen, which will be fun. We're going to be sprucing up the powder room with some fun wallpaper, and we're going to make the mudroom a lot more functional with some cubbies and storage. So overall, the floor plan of this home is really great. There's nothing majorly wrong with it. It just needs a little freshening up, a little happiness infused in here. So we're going to make that happen for the homeowners.